Hi, my name is Juan Hernandez and I'm the owner of Unique Painting Services. We do interior, exterior, residential, commercial painting. We do kitchen cabinets, popcorn removal, deck staining, kitchen refinishing, egg texture, wallpaper removal, patches, knockdown removal. Here's a couple reasons why you should hire Unique Painting Services for your painting needs. One, we're honest. Second, we have the good reviews with Yelp, competitive prices. We're Diamond certified. The warranties that we cover is all 3 years warranty for every exterior job, from 3 to 5 years. Same for interior. If it's anything, paint starts peeling or something, we'll come back and take care of our customers. Yeah, my employees are experienced. They know how to behave on the job and respectful, knowledgeable about the procedures that we do at Unique Painting Services. They treat the house like it's their home. I've been painting for over 20 years. I started my company in 2016. I started by myself, painting one bedroom, getting there, and then we started the advertising. Then one employee came, he was here for 2 years. So we've been 6 years, so now the employees that I have, they've been with me for a long time. The areas that we do, it's all Marin County, Sonoma, and basically those are the two areas that we mainly work, Marin and Sonoma. The worries that customers have before hiring Unique Painting Services is like, one will be like, are you gonna cover our plants? That's one of the things they worry. Yes, we cover plants, we move the dirt bag from the house to paint. They're worried about the roof. They always worry like, are you gonna cover my roof? You're not gonna be spraying my roof? So that's another thing, we cover roofs, make sure we put plastic or drop cloths. Another one is wind. Depends weather, how weather changes. They're always calling like, hey Juan, is it okay to paint, or how are you gonna do this? My neighbor's very sensitive of the wind and he's asking me questions, so I always try to communicate. Not like, don't worry, if there's cars, we'll put plastic, we'll cover them, we have car covers. If you're looking to get any painting done, give us a call. We do free estimates and we'll be happy to help you with that project.